Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you like to make at home, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. It's amazing. Anyway, basically, I normally give you every month at least 2 or 3 detoxing, weight loss drink, healthy salad, and you know what I mean, eat right, eat healthy, and that's the best thing you could ever do in your whole entire life. All right, from birth. Yes, from birth. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna simply show you a detoxing drink and also weight loss. And you know what I mean, as I said, detoxing and weight loss, these are one of my 2 biggest things I'm always preaching, and I always telling my fans them are things where you can make at home. All right. Anyway, I have 2 bottles of water. Okay, guys. This one for in the morning when you wake up on an empty stomach and you make it, you drink it before you eat your breakfast or anything. You can also drink it straight through the day. There's no problem, and you can drink it at night before you go to your bed. All right, guys. You can make it and put it into your fridge. Make 2 bottles at a time and put them in your fridge. That's the best way to do it. All right. I have a grapefruit right here, and also I have fresh cucumber and some lovely fresh mint. Really nice. I love mint. This is the apple cider vinegar. I'm always using apple cider vinegar. Give it a good shake. This is a raw apple cider vinegar. All right, guys. So basically, when I give it a shake, everything shake up together inside of it. Lovely and nice. So what we're going to do, the bottle of water at the moment is too much water is inside of the bottle. So basically what we want to do is to pour out a little bit of the water out of it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now. And I know you guys definitely going to love this. So I'll pour a little bit of water out of it. And what we're going to do is put a piece of a fresh mint inside of it. Just like this. And also just like this, guys. Honestly, this is going to be amazing. Alright, we're going to cut a few slices of cucumber to put inside of it. If you're a person who loves cucumber, welcome to Chef Ricardo Kitchen. I'm always having my cucumber. So I'm going to be folding a few cucumber and put it inside of it. Roughly about a quarter of cucumber you can put inside of it. Alright, guys. It's a very easy and simple recipe, and I know you guys 100% can make this at home. I know for sure. So I want you to make it, and I want you to drink it, and I want you to drink it every morning and every night before you go to your bed. All right, guys, lovely and nice. Second thing, grapefruit. This is how it looks. Yeah, that's the grapefruit. Lovely and nice. So what we're going to do, just gonna cut them into some wedges, into some dice style. All right, and we're gonna just simple pop them inside of it, just like this. All right, guys, very easy and simple to do this one at home. All right, so that's the grapefruit. I'm put it straight inside of it. This is the red grapefruit. You got the white one, but I'm using the red one at the moment. Lovely and nice. Second thing, we're just gonna put roughly a pinch of the apple cider vinegar inside of it. Just a little pinch, not too much. Just like this. Yep, just a little pinch, roughly about a cork of the apple cider vinegar I put inside of it. But I just put it in because I'm a chef and I know exactly what I'm doing in the kitchen. Shake it up like this, guys. See that? Look at that. Really lovely and nice. All right, so basically I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We definitely will have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. You know, Chef Ricardo always making his recipe for the fans. This drink is good for detoxing and also help you to lose weight. Apple cider vinegar, we know millions of people have already been using it, and also millions of people have been using cucumber and fresh mint. We've been preaching it, we've been telling people, get it, get it, get it. Use it and flush your immune system and look after yourself, guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming for you. I love you all. Stay right there, don't go anywhere, and watch more. Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Now, this is Chef Ricardo Salad Bar. At the moment, we are climbing up to 2,000 subscribers. Oh yes, 2,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. And please leave the comments in the description box. A lot of healthy salad and a lot of recipe will be coming out for summer. Summer recipe will be coming very soon. I want to say I love you all. And thank you so much for subscribing and leaving the comments and watch my video. So stay right there and don't go anywhere. We love you all.